Hello friends, this is Nilesh Arora. I am the founder partner of Add Value Consulting. We are trainers and consultants for lean manufacturing and operational excellence. In this video, I am going to talk about creating speed to market as a business strategy through lean manufacturing. In any business, you need a strategy, you need a vision, which can convert into business goals and therefore lead you to profitability and growth. Speed to market is one of the fundamental pillars of business strategy for those businesses which are into manufacturing. Speed to market means creating expressways for the material to travel from the stores up to distribution, logistics, and getting back your money. By creating expressways for material, we mean that we are going to remove the roadblocks. The roadblocks to flow. The roadblocks to flow are the mudas. Any obstruction to flow is called muda. So when we create speed to market, that means the order to delivery time is shortened. We are able to replenish the goods in the market. So we have an edge over the competitors. Now, how do we create the speed to market? We analyze the installed machines, their capacities, the value streams, the capacity utilization, and accordingly design the marketing strategy and the order booking. When all this is aligned, and the pick and place of the material within the plant is reduced, that means there are no work in progresses or minimal, or the handling is minimal, then we are able to create an excellent speed. That means the throughput time of manufacturing is shortened and coupled up as a business strategy. When we replenish the goods in the market, we have an edge. This is very fundamental. Create expressways through value stream mapping, 5S, flow layouts, design your factory well. The movement of the goods, that is material flow, should be in sync with information flow. When information flow, which is coming from outside, and material flow, which is going outside, both are in sync, then you will have an excellent cash flow. With this cash flow, you will be able to use it as a business tool for advertising, marketing, and therefore create a great business strategy, have good market share, and have good growth and profitability. Thank you.